TV YouTube channel, ang YouTube channel ng Polaris Boarding House. This is Mr. E. Our topic for today is about interpolation. Interpolation how to use interpolation to get the volume of fuel oil. Fuel oil after na mag-sounding tayo, after sounding. After. So it means may given sounding na. Let us say the given sounding is already 4.0. The sounding is 4.13 meter. So considered na dyan yung trim, which is even keel. So using the sounding table, we will have on the sounding table sounding, and then the volume, let's say 4.10 meter, and then 4.15 meter. The value of 4.10 meter, for example, is 120.91 cubic meter, since this is volume, and then the value of 4.15 is 124.27 cubic meter. But what we get is 4.13. Yung sounding natin is 4.13 meter. So we need to know the value of this, which is in the middle of these two values. Let us consider this value as x. So using interpolation, we are going to do this. The 4.13 meter minus 4.10 meter divided by the 4.15 meter minus 4.10 meter. So ito, minus dito, this is minus this, and this is minus this. And then equivalent to x minus this, which is x minus 120.91 cubic meter minus then divided by 124 minus this 124.27 cubic meter minus 120.91 cubic meter. You have to keep all the units so that you will not get confused later on. So the 4.13 minus 4.10 is equivalent to 0.03 meter divided by 0.05 meter. This is x minus 120.91. Ito yon. So we keep that. And then below is 124.27 cubic meter minus 120.91 is equivalent to 3.36 cubic meter. So we have to cancel this and cancel this. So we are not going to divide yet, so that it will be late. We will do it later, so that you will see how to cross multiply, and it becomes more transparent how we will come into the result. So the next thing to do is we will cross multiply this. Okay. So sorry. So again, 0.03 meter divided by 0.05 is equals to x minus 120.91. This minus this is equals to 3.36. We cancel the unit, then we will cross multiply. So we need to erase the whole thing so that we can continue explaining the next procedures. So here So 0.03 multiplied by 3.36. 0.03 multiplied by 3.36 cubic meter divided by 0.05 is equals to x minus 120.91 cubic meter. Yan. So we can now erase this one below and proceed with this one. So what will happen now is 0.03 multiplied by 3.36 cubic meter divided by 0.05. So we have to transfer this into the other side. So we will have now 120.91 cubic meter is equals to x. So as you can see, from negative it becomes positive. So we will transfer this. We will solve this, but we need to transfer this para medyo magandang tignan. So if you solve this, what you will get now is 0.03 multiplied by 3.36 divided by 0.05 is equivalent to 2.016 cubic meter plus 120.91 cubic meter. And you will have 122.93 cubic meter. So this value is in the middle of that value which is written before yung may sa sounding. You can check. So this is now the value of your x. Using interpolation, we can get the value of those in the middle of two different values. And that's all for today, and thank you. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell and share.